Hey guys, welcome back to our Texas Homestead. Today we have another food product recall. This is also for Listeria. This is Bristol Farms recalls chicken taco kit because of possible health risk. This is probably due to cotija cheese or some type of cheese from Rizzo Lopez. Recall cotija cheese. So if you have this stuff in your refrigerator or your pantry or your freezer, discard it. Contact the company. The link will be in the description for you. This is what it looks like. Bristol Farms Good Food Market, chicken taco single service. These were sold by 118. I've seen some a lot later than this on other recalls from this company, not from this company, but from Rizzo Lopez. Um, Chipotle crema. So, if you have any of this stuff in your refrigerator, get rid of it. Call the company. Be sure you like, subscribe, and share. Send this to your family and friends. Be sure you give us a big thumbs up. Everyone helps out, get this out to further people. And we'll catch you back next time on our Texas Homestead.